has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. A severe thunderstorm was located near Moxville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Thomasville, Linwood, Arcadia, Gordontown, Welcome, and High Rock Lake. This includes Interstate 85 near mile marker 84 and between mile markers 86 and 104. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina,